The price battle of Stellar, XLM maintaining yearly support or declining? In summary, the price of Stellar, XLM, has exhibited a pattern of 3 consecutive bearish weekly candlesticks and is presently in the process of forming the fourth. The decline has been continuous since reaching its peak on July 13 of the current year. The price exhibited a breakdown pattern originating from a symmetrical triangle, resulting in an accelerated decline. Both the weekly and daily readings suggest that the decline will persist. A notable rebound observed at the present level has the potential to trigger an upward trajectory, thereby confirming the prior horizontal support region. The price of Stellar's cryptocurrency, XLM, has experienced a decline subsequent to attaining a peak for the year in the month of July. The pace of decline intensified subsequent to the occurrence of a breakdown in a symmetrical triangular pattern. The current price of Stellar is nearing a significant horizontal support level of $0.105, which has the potential to halt the ongoing downward trend. The ongoing decline in the price of Stellar has persisted for 4 consecutive weeks. The examination of XLM's price on a weekly time frame indicates a positive trend. In the month of January, the cryptocurrency XLM experienced a significant breakthrough by surpassing a resistance line that had remained intact for a duration of 616 days. The observed occurrence of a breakout from a well-established structure implies a transition from the preceding pattern to a divergent trajectory in the opposite direction. At the outset, XLM encountered challenges in surpassing the resistance level of $0.105. Nevertheless, it successfully achieved a higher low in the month of June and afterwards experienced an acceleration in its upward momentum. Following a notable breakthrough of the resistance level at $0.105, the cryptocurrency XLM achieved a significant milestone by attaining a fresh annual high of $0.195 during the month of July. However, the trajectory of the subject in question has subsequently shifted in a downward direction, as shown by the presence of 3 consecutive bearish weekly candlesticks. At present, XLM is undergoing the formation of a 4th bearish candlestick, indicating the possibility of a subsequent decrease towards the $0.105 threshold. It is expected that this level will serve as a support for the cryptocurrency. In the event of a rebound at the current level, there is potential for a 105% gain in the price of XLM, allowing it to hit the resistance area at $0.230. Conversely, a potential decline originating from the price level of $0.105 has the potential to result in a significant fall of almost 35%, ultimately reaching the annual lows in the vicinity of $0.070. The evaluation of the Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, yields an indeterminate result. Traders employ the Relative Strength Index, RSI, as a momentum indicator to assess the degree to which a market is overbought or oversold, so assisting them in making informed decisions regarding the purchase or sale of an asset. A Relative Strength Index, RSI, value that surpasses 50, along with an upward trend pattern, signifies a persistent optimistic market attitude. On the contrary, when the numbers go below 50, it indicates a pessimistic feeling in the market. Although the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has experienced a decrease, it continues to be positioned over the threshold of 50. The presence of competing signals does not definitively establish the dominant trend direction. Price prediction of XLM, the breakdown of triangle pattern initiates a decline. The study conducted on the daily timeframe indicates a predominantly bearish perspective. The primary cause for this occurrence can be attributed to the disintegration of a symmetrical triangular pattern that had been established since July 14. On August 13, XLM saw a breakdown from the triangular pattern, subsequently declining below the minor horizontal support level of 13 cents. Based on the Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, it may be inferred that the price is likely to exhibit a further decline. The indicator has dropped below a value of 50, as indicated by the red icon, and is currently exhibiting a downward trend. Both of these indicators are commonly associated with a bearish trend. Additionally, they contribute to the legitimization of the collapse. As previously indicated, a breakdown has the potential to result in an additional reduction of 35%. In spite of the pessimistic XLM price forecast, a substantial rebound at the present support region has the potential to result in a 15% upsurge, so confirming the significance of the $0.130 horizontal resistance zone. The 11% drop in Bitcoin's price is a prediction. Amid changes in the market and major events, Bitcoin, which is currently worth $26.23 and is selling on the cryptocurrency market, has dropped by nearly 11% in the last week. This happened in a market that is very unstable. This drop is happening against the background of important events and changes that are still changing the crypto world. In the middle of these changes, people like Trump, who warns of possible effects on the US currency system. And interesting moves, like SpaceX's sale of Bitcoin bought in 2021 and 2022 for $373 million have drawn more attention to the market. Also, changes in Tether's backing for certain cryptocurrencies show how complicated the factors are that affect the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This Bitcoin price forecast looks at the recent 11% drop in BTC and the market factors and important events that are affecting its path. Trump raises concerns about the US losing control of the global currency system. BTC/USD is going down today, which is similar to what former President Donald Trump said about the United States standing in the world. In a recent interview, Trump talked about how the US dollar is losing its power on the world market. He was worried about the decline of the country under the present government and warned that other countries are moving away from the dollar. Trump said that the Chinese yuan could possibly replace the dollar. And his comments about energy prices and the chance of a recession if he doesn't get re-elected may have caused the BTC/USD exchange rate to go down today. SpaceX gets $373 million for selling Bitcoin. Today, the BTC/USD rate is going down, which could be because of recent news about SpaceX's Bitcoin assets. Reports say that in 2021 and 2022, Elon Musk's SpaceX wrote off $373 million in Bitcoin assets. It's not clear if the whole STASH was sold, but the news of this made the market even more unclear. Elon Musk's public statements about how SpaceX is buying Bitcoin and how Tesla has bought Bitcoin in the past have always affected the price of Bitcoin. The crypto market may be going down today because high-profile people like Musk are changing how investors feel. Tether will no longer work with Bitcoin Cash, Kusama, and other cryptocurrencies that use USDT.